Hey man, what are we doing today? I don't know. What do you want to do today? I don't know. I was thinking about maybe making a video or something. What do you think? You want to make a video? Fine with me. What do you want to make a video about? What do you think about a video about starting fires? You know we love fires. We do love starting fires. That's true. Well, I'll tell you what. I bought this the other day. It looks like fun. Start a fire with that. Zippo emergency fire kit. That looks pretty cool. Why not? Let's do it. Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to be talking about this. This is the Zippo emergency fire kit. Not really much to unbox. Everything's pretty much in there, as you can see. It's got a case with a striker on top, waterproof lid, and tinder. So let me get this open. We'll check it all out. Alright, so basically what it is it's a waterproof case, and you unscrew this part. Got some instructions in there. We don't need those. So it's a hollow case, okay, with a striker on top of it, if you can see that. And your tinder, which is these little cotton balls here, goes inside of this. Screw the lid on it, then you have a striker. Puts off pretty good sparks. And on top of all of it, you have a waterproof lid with a little lanyard holder. So we're gonna go play with it, see how easy it is to start a fire with it. Basically, we'll just set it on a brick, see how easy it is to light, then maybe blow some wind at it or something like that. The case says that it is wind resistant and waterproof. I don't really know if it's going to be wind resistant trying to light it, but I think they're talking about the case being waterproof. But we'll check it all out. We'll drown it like we normally do and see if it holds up. So I got my brick set up. Basically what you're supposed to do, you're supposed to take one of these out. You're supposed to fluff it up, which is easier said than done. I think that's what the little stick's for. Yeah, there we go. So, get it all fluffed up. Y'all come in a little bit closer so you can see what I'm doing. Alright. Get it all fluffed up to where it'll actually work. And then you're supposed to spark this. And it's supposed to, man, why is this saying, oh, there it goes. There it goes. All right. Let's see how long that's going to burn for. This thing's actually had a fire going for over 4 minutes now, and I just put it out. Oop. If I'd have fluffed it up a little bit more, probably would have lasted a little longer. But for the most part, you get over 4 minutes worth of burn time out of it, which is pretty good. So let's move on to the next test. All right. So I got another one ready to go. Basically, I'm gonna turn the fan on. It says that it's windproof, so we're gonna find out. It's about as low as the fan will go. I don't think it's windproof like that. So, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna light it. If I can get it to light. Well, there it goes. All right, now it's lit. Let's see if it'll stand up to the wind now. It went out. Fluff it up a little bit more. Maybe the fan is just a little much for it. Yeah. I don't really know what kind of wind they're thinking is windproof, because it won't hold up to the fan. And I can just blow it right out. So I don't think it's really that windproof. The next claim is that it's waterproof. I seriously doubt this is gonna work, but we'll try it. Yeah, I don't think the tender's waterproof. I think the case is waterproof. Last test. Got my trusty brick. We're gonna drop this in the water. Make sure it stays in. And we'll come back in a little while, see how much water got in it. These have been in here for about 30 minutes now. So we're gonna go ahead and take them out. Dry them off. Let's see. Drop that. Well, striker's still dry. Doesn't look like any water got in there. And tender's all still dry. Yeah. Everything seems to be dry. So the case is definitely waterproof. All right, conclusion. The case is definitely waterproof. As far as windproof goes, I'm not really sure what part of it's supposed to be windproof. I mean, I guess the case is windproof. It's plastic. But as far as the tender on the inside and stuff, I wouldn't call that windproof. Maybe to a very light breeze, be about it. Are they worth it? Definitely. You get 4 to 5 minutes of burn time out of the little pieces of tinder in there. They're actually very easy to light. If you can't start a fire in 5 minutes of burn time, then you just need to go home. So, is it worth it? Definitely. For the price, less than 10 bucks, definitely worth it. I think the refills on it are like $4. So, very good addition to any bag, any camping gear kit, anything that you got. Definitely worth buying. I definitely give them a thumbs up. So, if there's anything else you'd like to see me review, leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the video. Like I said, if you could think of something, let me know. Maybe we'll test what you want us to test. Till then, that's about all we got. See y'all in the next one.